The Lindy effect states that the life expectancy of most ideas or imperishable objects are proportionate to their current age. For example, a book that has been unpublished for 1 year can be expected to remain unpublished for as long. The Great Pyramid of Giza is 5,000 years old. One could thus assume it would continue to exist for as long and in all probability much longer. Consider then the longevity of Herodotus or Gilgamesh. Figurative sculpture being an ancient tradition that predates recorded history provides me with immeasurable faith and inspiration, whose historical longevity from the past and into the future I would cite as my primary influence. I believe that one's strengths can often be attributed to what they hold veneration for. The composition of my work is orchestrated to highlight the features of sculpture that I am drawn towards as an observer. Namely, in the ironies present in the strengths of the medium itself. Not a narrative, but the carnal aspect of humanity captured in earthly material. A figure that looks as if it's composed of warm flesh and bone, but cast in cold bronze. Or observing a sculpture so lifelike that anticipating movement in the next moment should follow as a matter of course, despite its permanence in stone. And perhaps more so than anything, to submit oneself before nature and its variety, abstract and concrete, so that our well of inspiration and threshold of design may be infinite. I can only hope that my life's work may be an ode and contribution to this ancient tradition.